Meet Debasis Mandal, a teacher, mentor, author and lifelong learner, whose career spans over 36 years at Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapith, Purulia. Inspired by the ideals of Swami Vivekananda, Debasis has dedicated his life to nurturing students through value-based education, academic excellence and holistic development. As the senior-most teacher, head of the mathematics department, proctor, and academic council member, he has become a guiding force for generations. Debasis Mandal's educational philosophy centered on the belief that every child possesses immense potential. He sees the role of a teacher as awakening curiosity, confidence, creativity, and compassion. Throughout his career, he has worked tirelessly to transform mathematics from a subject often associated with fear into one of joy, discovery, and intellectual empowerment. His approach ensures that students not only excel academically but also develop strong character and value. Debasis Mandal has made mathematics meaningful and accessible for all. His students consistently achieve outstanding results in Madhyamik and higher secondary examination, maintaining a record of 100% success in mathematics. Many have secured center marks and gone on to pursue successful careers in diverse fields. By focusing on joy and discovery, he empowers students to overcome their fear and embrace the subject with confidence. Make mathematics engaging, Debasis developed the Math-Minded Fivefold method, known as MathPA. This innovative inquiry-based model consists of 5 stages: understand, visualize, do, reflect, and teach. The approach enables students to connect concepts with real-life situations, visualize abstract ideas, practice collaboratively, reflect critically, and ultimately teach others. MathPA has significantly enhanced conceptual understanding, confidence, and independent learning. Debasis introduced the Peer Mathematics Circle, a collaborative learning framework where students solve problems collectively, discuss multiple approaches, and develop leadership skills. This initiative fosters teamwork, critical thinking, and peer-to-peer learning, making mathematics a shared journey. Students gain confidence and learn to appreciate diverse perspectives, preparing them for real-world challenges. Make learning engaging, Debasis integrates Vedic mathematics, mathematical games, puzzles, low-cost teaching aids, and activity-based methodology. These creative approaches spark curiosity and make abstract concepts tangible. Students enjoy learning through games and activities, which not only build skills but also foster a love for mathematics. Another successful initiative is the Mathematics Gallery Walk, where students present models and concepts, interact with peers, and learn through dialogue and exploration. This method encourages students to communicate their understanding, engage in meaningful discussion, and deepen their knowledge through active participation. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Debasis designed and implemented Ecalibia, a self-learning model tailored for residential school students. Combining structured worksheets, reflective learning, value education, and contextual problem-solving, Ecalibia ensured continuity of meaningful learning and emotional resilience during prolonged isolation. This model helps students stay engaged and supported, even in challenging times. Committed to continuous professional development, Debasis has completed over 100 hours of CPD training under the Nishta program through the Diksha platform. These courses covered child development, pedagogy, competency-based learning, assessment practices, inclusive education, experiential learning, ICT integration, and NEP 2020 implementation. The knowledge gained has enriched his classroom practices and strengthened learner-centered pedagogy. Beyond classroom teaching, Debasis actively mentors students in science, culture, sports, and leadership activities. As a mentor in the National Children's Science Congress, quizmaster, dramatist, cultural organizer, and sports enthusiast, he nurtures the intellectual, cultural, physical, and ethical dimensions of student growth. His efforts promote creativity, teamwork, leadership, and social responsibility. As a senior member of the Academic Council, Debasis has contributed to curriculum planning, examination reforms, teacher mentoring, academic monitoring, and technology integration in education. He strongly advocates competency-based learning, experiential pedagogy, and effective use of ICT to enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. Debasis Mandal's contributions have been recognized through several prestigious honors. These include the Shiksharatna Award conferred by the Government of West Bengal, 2023, Bharatjyoti Guru Saman, 2021, International Education Icon Award, 2019, and the Best School in Charge Award for promoting science and ICT education. Each award reflects his commitment to excellence and innovation in education. Alongside his educational work, Debasis remains actively engaged in literature and culture. His writings have earned the Bibhuti Bhushan Award and Sunil Gangopadhyay Smriti Puraskar. In 2025, he received international recognition through his nomination for the Nepal Authors Award, reflecting his commitment to creativity and the promotion of human values through writing. Debasis, teaching is not merely a profession but a sacred mission. Every classroom is an opportunity to inspire minds, build character, and cultivate responsible citizenship. He remains committed to innovation, inclusiveness, and excellence in education, striving to empower learners to become compassionate, confident, and socially responsible citizens. Debasi's Mandal's achievements and initiatives have been featured in newspapers and television, highlighting his impact on education and society. Media coverage brings attention to his innovative methods, awards, and community contribution, inspiring others to follow his example. Debasi's is also a sports enthusiast, actively participating as an umpire in cricket matches and promoting physical education. His involvement in sports encourages students to develop teamwork, discipline, and a healthy lifestyle, complementing their academic growth. Debasi's leads greening initiatives, encouraging environmental awareness and sustainability among students. Activities such as tree planting and ecological projects foster a sense of responsibility towards nature, teaching students the importance of caring for the environment. As a dramatist and cultural organizer, Debasi's participates in drama performances, especially on Teachers' Day. These activities enrich the cultural life of students, promoting creativity, expression, and appreciation for the arts. Debasi's is deeply involved in community service, including wheelchair and garment distribution. His efforts support the development of society, demonstrating compassion and social responsibility. These initiatives show his commitment to making a positive difference beyond the classroom. Debasi's maintains friendly relationships with staff and ex-students, fostering a supportive and collaborative environment. His approach builds lasting connection, encouraging alumni to stay engaged and contribute to the school's legacy. Debasi's Mandal's legacy is one of inspiration, innovation, and compassion. Through his dedication to education, mentorship, and community service, he has empowered countless learners to become confident, creative, and responsible citizens. His journey continues to inspire educators and students alike, reminding us that teaching is a mission to shape the future.